In the fast-paced and competitive business market of Atlanta, life can come at you very fast. For over 2 decades, business professionals and residents throughout the Atlanta metro area have turned to Full Circle Restoration to resolve their emergency mitigation, disaster response, and recovery incidents due to fire, water, storm, and vehicle damage to a structure, mold and lead contamination, hazmat spills, biohazards and trauma scenes, and various other hazards. Full Circle has built a reputation on rapid and appropriate response. Full Circle's 30,000 square foot facility, located in Duluth, Georgia, serves as a launch pad for teams of trained and certified emergency mitigation specialists. It also serves as home to a tremendous selection of large and small-scale structural drying and dehumidification equipment, ranging from the most compact, closet-sized conventional refrigerant dehumidifiers all the way up to 7 large-scale, trailer-mounted desiccant dehumidifiers. Each of these machines is paired with a 65 kW whisper-quiet generator and enough self-contained diesel and propane fuel on board to keep them running all through the night and well into the next day. As an insurance claim-related specialty contractor, Full Circle sets itself apart from a vast field of competition by demonstrating proficiency in understanding the insurance claims process, with an appropriate sense of urgency, by responding with capacity and capability, by consistently delivering timely communication and high-quality documentation, and through exceptional performance on the job, all of which equates to high marks across the board in customer satisfaction. Full Circle combines all of these characteristics with efficiency in the field and competitive pricing to achieve significant savings and real value for clients and customers.